Is called a hyperthermia system. It uses microwave heat to help destroy the tumor. Temperature probes are permanently inserted under his skin so the computerized system can constantly monitor heat applied to the tumor. Temperatures will reach 112 degrees because research shows that heat disrupts blood flow to the tumor and increases its acid level.
Cells cannot survive well in this. Some blood vessels are disrupted, and as a result the nutrients that normally feed a tumor don't get into it. It also affects the cell division. All this results then in cancer cell death.
The heat is used with radiation therapy.
Cancer cells are more easily damaged by heat than normal living tissue is. Even the ancient Egyptians knew it and buried cancer patients to the neck in shallow layers of hot desert sand.
This innovative equipment also has the ability to treat deep-rooted tumors, and it's made by BSD, a Salt Lake company owned by John Langdon of Fort Worth.
I've seen tumors smaller. I have seen some tumors like the breast tumors that recur on women's chest areas after removal of the breast go completely away.
And that's new hope our companies are helping make possible. Jane Boone, Channel 5 News, Dallas.